at Pick and Pull today. We heard a little rumor that there is a pretty cool part in there, so we're gonna go take a look and see if we can find it. I'm gonna attempt to pull it out by myself. Another Pick and Pull day. Let's do it. And there she is. A Ford 9-inch. Mud. That's nasty. Yeah, that's gross. It's disgusting. So annoying. Jesus.
Oh, look at you pulling that shaft right out.
Yep, you know me.
So, yeah, that's a big bearing. That's a pretty safe bet. So when we're talking about big bearing, it's that bearing right there on the left that you're showing me. 3.1-inch outer diameter. Well, I mean, that's another way to tell, too. If it's 31 or 35 spline, it's a big bearing.
Okay. All the way out. And I'll count the splines. Okay, it is a 31 spline shaft, so it is a big bearing. It's games. We did it. We did it. There she is. Ford 9-inch big bearing, baby. We're gonna rebuild this thing, throw it in the back of Big D eventually. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. As far as I've read, Ford 9-inch rear axles are known to be one of the most durable pieces of automotive machinery ever built. So, why not throw her in a grocery getter like a GMC Yukon? You know what I mean? Why not? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. That was a pretty good find at Pick and Pull. if I must say so myself. See you guys next time. Adventure Friends going home.